I have some very good news and some bad news if you guys are holding cryptocurrency. So CPI came out, the market reacted, the market crashed, the market pumped. In this video, I'm going to be telling you guys what is happening to every cryptocurrency right now. You guys need to stick around to find out. So if you love cryptocurrencies, give this video a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed with notifications on. CPI came out this morning, 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. And we actually, CPI month over month came in at expectations. CPI year over year came under expectations. Massive. We have core CPI month over month came above expectations. The CPI year over year, this is the very and most important metric that the Fed does look at to consider inflation and should they raise interest rates. Since inflation is slowing down under expectations, does this mean they're going to pause or cut rates next month? It's a possibility, and the markets may be pricing that in. But what we are seeing is that cryptos actually crashed today massively. And why did they crash? Is because the US government sold a whole bunch of Bitcoin. So that's why we got the crash. But originally we had a move to the upside, a little bit, a 1 to 2% move. And then we had a crash, and now we are just kind of consolidating. It's not looking too good, to be honest with you. And my overall opinion that the markets are heading lower is showing itself day by day. So even though we got good and bullish news, the CPI data, even though it came under expectations, which is essentially bullish, came lower, like 0.1% lower. The expectations were 5% year over year, and we are at 4.9%. But this is good because we are getting close to the 2% target of the Fed, and they think that they can get inflation down to 3% towards the end of the year, which their overall goal is to get inflation to 2%. And once that happens, the economy and everything can start booming again, real estate, everything else. And that will happen next year. And guess what? It's going to be right in time for the Bitcoin halving, which means that next year is probably going to be extremely bullish. And Elon Musk also thinks that cryptos and the economy is going to be very bullish Q1, Q2 of next year. So right now, the market honestly reacted in a negative way, even though the government sold a whole bunch of Bitcoins, which pushed the market down. Why would they do that on a CPI day? That's very strange. We created new lows today, and we are just continually heading lower. And I think we're going to continually head lower as the days go by. But like I've been telling you all in my videos, even though I was right about today, the market prices in all of these things way ahead of time, and it takes days for the market to fully digest. The real move maybe or may have not showed itself today. The real move usually takes a couple of days to show itself in the markets. Most importantly, the way to really see what market or how the market is taking it is if we have to take a look at the stock market. Is the stock market up? Is it higher than where it was yesterday in the last couple of days? And what we are surely seeing is that the stock market pumped up, it crashed, and it's going back up again. And we're also seeing the dollar crash as well. So the market seems to be neutral, bearish neutral with today's data and news, and I still believe the market is going to continue to head down. This doesn't mean there's not going to be pumps and everything else, but I believe the market is going to keep heading down over the next several months, and that's why I'm shorting the market. I'm up 136%, and if you're in my Patreon, you'll be able to copy my trades where I'm making multiple trades like this every single week, profitable trades. You can have access to this by joining the Patreon right now. Also have a free trading community. It's a Telegram where I'm active every single day. Check that out as well. But most importantly, I'm trading over on BitGet and hosting a trading tournament. You guys can win up to $10,000 by participating and winning the tournament. The top 3 spots, we will win $3,000. And if you participate by just being in the tournament, you can win a minimum of $100 to $200. So guys, I highly recommend that you open up a BitGet account right now so you can qualify, but you will need to be signed up through my link. All of these things, the links are going to be in my video description. Guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you got something out of this video, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing and notifications on, and I'll see you later.